Good morning, guys. First day in the Poconos. I've never been here before. It's beautiful. So you got this big ass house here for Craig's birthday. So shout out Craig. I believe things like this is really good for manifestation. You guys got to put yourself in environments that you see yourself living in. So if you see yourself traveling, living in extremely big houses and driving nice whips like this, see, like, even the neighbors. But if you see yourself doing things like this, it's extremely important that you manifest and you put yourself in these environments, get a sense of what it's like. It's the way you can meet your future self, and then by doing that, you'll meet your future self eventually. So just manifest it. Let me show you guys the house. Let me show you where we're staying at for the weekend. There's a lot of cool things in here. Got a movie room, pool tables, bowling alley. Well, not a bowling alley, but bowling equipment. There's saunas, hot tub. Let me just show you guys, man. It's an amazing place. I'm setting up for breakfast. Zach Kofi over here. Say what's up, say what's up.
Yo, I just woke up.
So here, as you can see, we were playing a little bit of Blackjack last night. We got an Italian style poker table. This is probably one of my favorite spots of the house so far. You know, I've never seen one of these in person, even though I've gambled millions of times. I'm a Blackjack player. So we stayed here last night. I did win a lot of money off of somebody yesterday playing some Blackjack. I was a house. You know, house never loses. We definitely could. So we got a Victorola right here. Now, if you don't know what this is, do your research. This is an extremely vintage piece, and I'm really excited that they have it here because I'm into a lot of this old school style stuff. I'm into watches, I'm into cigars. So usually the more vintage the piece, the better. This right here, very vintage. And we're not gonna touch it because we ain't trying to break it. Like I said, it's Craig's B-Day. Big 28. Craig Mack right there. I ain't seen him yet for the morning. Now, ain't no one seen him yet. He's kind of hidden. I see you got a shot. How you doing? Good morning, good morning. What's your name?
Destiny.
Destiny.
I would shake your hand, but...
Nah, it's alright. I'm taking a vid, so you don't even worry about it.
Okay.
So we got the birthday breakfast. So we got the birthday breakfast coming right now. If you want to tell them what we got for breakfast.
So we have breakfast potatoes, fried fish, fried chicken, waffles, eggs, grits, shrimp, and a fruit display.
Hey, okay.
I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
You want to shout yourself out?
Harlem's recipe.
Harlem's recipe.
Yeah.
Nice.
Take a look.
Here we got the second best spot in the house for me. Besides that table over there where I win all my money, we got the movie room. Oh, what y'all watching? We got the anime on the TV already? What's this? This is Devil May Cry. Ah, my boy. This is a pool table right here. Don't play me because you will lose. This is the bowling alley. We haven't played this yet. I'm surprised we haven't played it. We should probably play it today. This is from my man right here, Crash. Man, you want to say something to the camera? Say what's up? He's the person I took all the money from yesterday, by the way. We got a pocket machine here with those vintage things. Now this right here. Now this is if you know, you know. I know you guys remember back in the day when you was getting your hair cut. You used to always have one of these inside the shop. Either play some Pac-Man, play some NBA Jam. Just more vintage things, man. I really love. But let me take you guys to the next best part of the house, the backyard. This is where we got the sauna. This is where we got the hot tub. So far, ain't nobody getting the hot tub yet besides me. That looking crazy. But okay, we don't do it anyways. We don't use all these amenities while we here. So you got the beautiful sauna right here. Look at this thing. Beautiful. It can fit about 4 people in there comfortably. I'm pretty sure it can fit more than that, but we're not gonna push it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the hot tub right here. Nice hot tub. Yep. And you see, we got the smoke coming out. The temperature set to 104 for a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got some. Remind me the name of this again. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this.
Cornhole.
Cornhole. Shout out Steven for putting me onto Cornhole when I was out in New Hampshire. This game is so underrated. It is an amazing house game that you play with your friends, play with your family, at a gathering, anything like that. This game is great. Cornhole. You never play it, look into it. I promise you will fucking love it. It's so underrated. This is the fireplace. We sat out here last night for about an hour. I was burning some cigars. Everybody else was smoking and just vibing and shit. Had the music playing. But yeah, this is the crib that we staying at for the whole weekend, man. As you can see, it's a vibe. Like, it's important. Like I said, manifestation, man. So we was talking about it last night, and it's moments like this that shows you where you're heading, where you want to be in life, the opportunities that are out there. It's really important that you expand your mind, knowing that things like this is out there, even though, in my opinion, I've stayed at some nice spots, so I'm used to this. But people that have never done this is important for you to do. Go out, do things differently with your friends, people that you want to grow with. It's important that you grow with your circle, your mindsets expand together, relate everything back to business, where you back to the roots. Damn. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that bird.
It's an owl. Oh no.
No, it is.
An owl.
No, what is that?
No, that's a bird.
It's a falcon. What the fuck? Yo, this is clearly we're from the city because this is fascinating us. But it looks like a falcon. I've never seen nothing like that. But that's the whole point of this thing. You do things, you show your mind different things that you've never seen before. If you're used to the city, get out the city. Go venture out in the world, see the fucking world, man. There's so much to see out there and so much to do, so much to become. Don't stay who you were yesterday. You want to constantly improve, become a better version of yourself, because that's the only way that you're going to get to the top. That's the only way you're going to get all this money, is by constantly improving yourself. If you're not improving, you're staying stagnant. People around you not improving, everybody's staying stagnant. You don't want to be the fifth person that's not improving. You got to find the circle of people that are doing it, that are pushing themselves, that are trying to get to the next level, that are reading, that are into business, that are into growth and personal development, because these are the tools that are going to help elevate you and make all this manifestation that you're doing come to life. Again, happy birthday, Craig. We out here for you, fam, for the whole weekend, man.
Good. No post game.
Fuck you.
No post game.
What were you gonna say?
This regular season,
Yo, like I said, man, Cornhole, I've been playing this for years. If you want to play me, you probably gonna lose, but you gonna have fun though. What just happened?
Who's bought the thing? Let's see some club.
Oh,
Blackjack.
hey, here we go.
Now I have to make one.
You
Now I have
got
to make two.
You got me 3. Ah! Oh! You got one more. Ah! CC, step up.
My turn.
Now see what's going on. As I've been watching a lot of the entrepreneurs like Myron and School of Hard Knocks, everybody that he interviews, something that a lot of them say is enjoy the journey and don't let the times that you're supposed to have fun and relax, don't let those times pass. You're supposed to enjoy the journey, because it's going to get to a time when all of this is numb. You just become numb to the thrill of life, and you become numb to all of the stuff that you're able to do once you get money and freedom. So here we are enjoying it. Let's go UTVs. Of course your boy is driving, so I'm probably having the most fun. But we out here. Like I said, Craig, happy birthday.
Imagine driving your regular people with this shit.
You gotta do the G-Wagon with this. Oh, shit! Yo, we out here, man! Fuck! I'm about to flip this shit over!
Oh!
Everybody hold on!
Right? Middle. That's good.
Damn, this guy sucks.
That's good. Damn, that was in the way.
I really should be recording it this way. This is for YouTube. I didn't think about that. Oh man, I already messed it up.